guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys my first impressions wash day routine using NEUMA Naturally Addicted, their NEUMoisture collection. I'll be trying out their shampoo, their conditioner, as well as their Intensive Moisture mask. So I'm just gonna first start off by using their shampoo. As you guys can see, it does have a nice yellow color to it, but it lathers very nicely and rich for it to be sulfate free. It is paraben free as well, cruelty free, never tested on animals, and it's also gluten free. So if you're looking for a gluten free formula to wash your hair with, this is definitely the one for you. I went ahead and washed my hair twice with the NEUMA Moisture shampoo, and if you guys see any chunks in my hair, that's because I went ahead and did my aloe vera pre-treatment. But I went ahead and washed my hair twice to make sure I have rinsed all of the aloe vera gel out of my hair. And honestly, this is a really gentle shampoo, so it did leave some of that aloe vera behind. To follow up with my shampoo, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of the conditioner to my hair. And as you guys can see, this is a super thick conditioner. Got done washing my hair with the NEUMA shampoo and conditioner, and this is their NEUMA Moisture and their Replenish shampoo and Restore conditioner, and this is what the packaging looks like. Now I really wanted to go ahead and try these out because they are vegan and they're gluten free. They're 100% organic, which is amazing. I've never tried an organic shampoo out before, so I wanted to go ahead and try them out. They're salon quality products, and they do come with the salon quality price tag, so that's something to keep in mind. I did see online that you can pick them up on Amazon as well as Walmart, so that's just something to keep in mind if you guys do want to try these products out for yourself. So I went ahead and gave them a try, and I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys briefly what my thoughts are on the shampoo. So while I was in the sink washing my hair, as you guys just seen in the previous clip, it did create a very nice rich lather. For it to be sulfate free, paraben free, gluten free, organic, vegan, and never tested on animals, that is like amazing. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I also wanted to share that it did enhance the texture of my hair. It did coat my hair and make my hair feel very like silky, which I'm always here for. Hello, yes, but it was something that I did notice right off the back immediately. So I know if I'm like stretching my relaxer, maybe like 24 to 26 to 28 to 30 weeks, however long I decide to stretch my relaxer, I know for a fact that this will help my texture soften up that new growth, which is something I'm always struggling with the longer I get in my stretch. Now I want to share my thoughts on their NEUMoisture conditioner. This is their Restore really quickly, it's not going to be long. I felt like this was kind of it wasn't all of that. I felt like this was kind of like a generic conditioner. It didn't really give me any type of slip. It didn't really give me anything compared to what the shampoo gave me. I really enjoyed the shampoo, but the conditioner on the other hand, I'm not really sold on it being worth the price point, especially because it kind of performed like any other regular conditioner from the drugstore. Even though this is a salon quality product, I did want to go ahead and share that with you guys. Now, a benefit about the conditioner I can say that I did enjoy was the fact that the scent from the shampoo is the same with the conditioner, but I noticed the conditioner scent was a lot stronger than the shampoo. Yeah, it's a lot stronger and you can definitely smell it, but that's something I wanted to share with you guys. And I also wanted to share with you all too that when I applied the conditioner, I noticed it really didn't like do anything for my hair. It didn't really give my hair any type of slip. I don't feel like I can detangle it. It doesn't really feel soft. I mean, my hair feels soft, but it doesn't feel like the conditioner added any softness to it, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try out their hair mask. I'm gonna go ahead and do my deep conditioning treatment. I'm only going to use the NEUMA product. So this is their Moisture Intensive Mask. It says Enrich and Fortify, Sustaining Health, Beauty, Color. So I'm pretty sure it's also good if you have color treated hair. So it says that this is their ultra rich hydrating treatment, transforms hair by restoring moisture to improve texture. I know this collection improves texture. Like after reading that, I'm convinced, because that's so crazy. The shampoo literally did something to my hair strands. It's crazy. It made my hair feel really silky and coated nicely, very even like, and I could really feel it when I was washing my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out, because with that being said, I'm really excited to see what the Intense Mask does for my hair. So this is what it looks like once you open it. It looks like a thick moisturizer. It doesn't look like it's going to have any type of slip. It doesn't smell like anything, which is crazy. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm putting it up to the camera as if you guys can smell it, but it smells like unscented body lotion. It smells like nothing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of this to my hands. It's very thick. Super thick. It didn't even move. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so thick. This feels like glue. This is, I don't know about this. I'm like just touching my hair because my hair is not wet, so I don't want to like rub my hands because it does feel like glue. So I'm just gonna try to scrunch it in. This is crazy. Okay, I think I might get my water bottle because this is like a styler. Like, this is a moisturizer. What? This is no Intensive Mask. It says to apply evenly to hair after you cleanse with the NEUMA Moisture shampoo. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to use my spray bottle. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and close this up because I'm pretty sure this is a lot. This is going to be enough once I activate it with some water. So let me grab that. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair with some water. And hopefully go in with this. It'll be better now. A little bit, but okay, yeah, that's a little better. So apply this immediately after you wash your hair. Your hair has to be soaking wet with this stuff. It doesn't have like a slip like the Cure conditioner has, or like Suds. It's just, it doesn't do much for me. It's not giving me much right now. It's just giving me very basic vibes. I don't want to, but I might add some more product because with me spraying the water, it is actually allowing some type of slip. But I need like a lot of water. Like, I didn't think my head had to be like soaking wet. Okay. All right, I'm gonna apply just a little more to my ends. About that much. That much to my ends. Yeah, this stuff is thick. This is so thick. Okay, yeah, it does go on a lot better when your hair is wet. I'm just doing a little bit of detangling with my fingers, my nails, but I'm about to sit under the hooded dryer for 45 minutes to an hour, and then I'll rinse this out and come back on here and blow dry and straighten my hair and share with you guys my results, because so far so good. Besides the conditioner, the shampoo really sold me. Alright you guys, so I just completed my full wash a day routine using NEUMA products, and honestly you guys, I like them. Now I use the NEUMA Moisture collection. I use their shampoo and conditioner as well as their Moisture Intensive Masque. And honestly you guys, I wanted to come on here and share with you all a few things that I noticed while using these products, because this was my first time using them and I did collect some things that I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm just briefly going to share those things with you guys. I'm not going to hold you too long. I do want this video to be short. So the first thing I noticed with the shampoo is it's my favorite product out of the whole entire collection. I really like that this is a lightweight formula, but it does have such a nice rich lather. It also coats your hair and leaves your hair feeling feeling very silky, lightweight, not weighed down, but your hair does have a different type of texture. It honestly improves your texture, or at least it did for me. It improved the texture of my hair. Honestly, it was like a nice mix in between silky with a lot of protein. So I really did like this shampoo a lot. Now I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys some things about the conditioner. Now, unlike the shampoo, I wasn't really a fan of the conditioner. I really felt like it was very bland. It was very normal. It was very generic. It didn't really stand out to me. And honestly, the results definitely do scream that. So I did go ahead and sit under the hooded dryer for 45 minutes after I went ahead and I applied their Moisture Intense Mask as well. So I had some of the conditioner on, and then I went ahead and applied the mask, and I sat under the hooded dryer for 45 minutes to an hour, and my results are pretty. Don't get it wrong. I do like the way my hair turned out. I think it's gorgeous. It's beautiful, but I don't think that it had anything to do with the conditioner. I think my results really came from the shampoo. So for me, I really wouldn't recommend these conditioners. I don't think I will be reaching for them again. I can't really see me putting them in my routine another time, just for the simple fact that I have a lot of conditioners that perform really well. And another thing I wanted to mention to you guys as well, as when I was straightening my hair, I noticed while I was making my parts, my scalp was extremely dry, and that should not be the case 45 minutes after I'm sitting under the hooded dryer. So I don't think that these are my favorite conditioners, just for the simple fact that they didn't actually help me retain any moisture. I shouldn't have to apply any oil to my scalp on wash day, which is what I'm going to do. So to oil my scalp, I'm actually going to be reaching for the Kerotin Enriching Argan oil. It says that it stimulates growth, repairs damaged hair, and softens hair. So I'm actually going to be applying this to my scalp, and then to my ends, to the rest of my hair, I will be applying the It's a 10 and Miracle Oil Plus Keratin. One last thing I want to share with you guys about this product collection review is I did want to go ahead and speak on something about this brand. Now, I love the fact that the brand is vegan, it's cruelty free, gluten free, paraben free, sulfate free. It has a lot of good benefits to it if you guys honestly do your research and look up on it. But I did want to compare it to a few other brands that I love so much. Specifically the shampoo, I didn't really care for the conditioners from NEUMA Moisture collection, but I will be talking about the shampoo in comparison to the other products. And the other products that I'm talking about are from the brand Keratin, as well as It's a 10. Now, I typically use these products as well as this brand on my hair quite frequently, but I wanted to come on here and share with you guys while I was doing my hair throughout this whole entire process. I just could not stop thinking about the shampoo and how much I loved it, and I had to come to like agreement that this is the best shampoo I've ever used. And I had to sit down and like think about it. I'm like, dang, like, is it better than the It's a 10 Silk shampoo? Is it better than the Keratin shampoo? And yes, it is better than the Keratin, better than the It's a 10, because it gives your hair that perfect silk balance mixed with that protein, because my hair feels silky, but it also, like, my texture feels better. It feels stronger. It feels like my hair can withstand more, even though my hair is pretty healthy. It doesn't break, it doesn't shed, things like that. But my hair, I felt an immediate difference when I was in the sink shampooing my hair. So if you have like super damaged hair, I definitely think spending the money on this brand, this collection, this shampoo specifically will definitely help you get some results that you need. Now, honestly, you guys, quite naturally, one product does not repair damaged hair, but this product specifically target towards chemically treated hair. So if you have relaxed hair, then obviously it would work really well for you. Or if your hair is color treated, also this collection will work well for you. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to share with you guys. I like my results, but like I said, I think that has a lot to do with the shampoo. So I will be trying the shampoo out again in another wash day routine with some of my other favorite products like deep conditioners, honey. And yes, I will keep you guys updated on those results. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.